You may have heard this question so many times. Does money buy happiness? Yes, it can buy happiness, it can buy love, it can buy everything. Now, some people will say how money can buy love. Have you ever been rejected by a girl just because you did not have money? But what if you had money and you would have done or bought things that bring you one step closer to your lover? She would have been with you, right? More money does not necessarily buy more happiness, but less money is associated with emotional pain. A study showed that the people who make less than 75,000 per year are unhappy because they cannot fulfill their basic needs. But once people make enough to move beyond their basic needs and can afford things like house and a car, take vacations and gain financial security through savings, making more money doesn't move the happiness needle. The author's theory is that above $75,000 of income, happiness is driven by things like the quality of one's relationships, health, and leisure time. In fact, people who won the lottery were happy at the time they won, but after some time they were unhappy. Why? Because the way they spent all the money. They spent their money on things that made them happy in short term, but not in long term. So happiness also depends how do you spend your money. In fact, a study found spending money on others makes you more happy than it makes if you spend it on yourself. Not having money is associated with challenges and difficulties. Having more money means avoiding the stress and worries that being poor bring. Having more money leads to more choices, freedom, and feeling more in control of our lives and circumstances.